Good day, everyone. I'm Ted, your host, and welcome back to Night Owl Bodycams. Today we hook up with a police officer that had to give a motorist a wake-up call in more ways than one. Let's get right into it, shall we?
Drivers on
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
responsive so far. Stand by. Hello. Hi. How are you? Can you put it in park? Hey, you know you've been sleeping through a couple light cycles, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on?
Not much. I just
Okay. Do you know where you're at right now?
Yeah, I'm waiting to go home.
Where's home at?
Duluth.
Okay, we're at in Duluth. Do you have your license with you?
Yeah.
Can I see that, please?
Is there a problem?
Like I explained already, you slept through a couple light cycles.
Yeah.
Where are you coming from tonight?
I was at a party at a Moonshadow Tavern with some of my friends.
Where's that at? I'm not familiar with it.
I don't know the town it's in. It's like 30 minutes away from where I'm at. I can show you the address.
Mm-hmm.
What am I doing wrong?
You understand what I explained to you twice already, right?
Okay, what do you want me to pull up for you? You want me to pull up where I was at?
Well, you were talking about pulling that up. I don't really need that. I just was curious where that's at because I've never been there.
Okay, what do you need? Like, I'm just trying to get home.
Okay. Like I said, ma'am, just to reiterate the third time, the reason why I pulled in behind you is because when I was driving, I noticed that you were passed out, okay? The light was green, it turned red, and it turned green again, and you still hadn't gone.
Yeah, lady. What shade of green were you waiting for?
Okay?
I'm fine. Okay?
Okay. And you were coming from that bar. How much alcohol did you drink tonight?
Not enough. Like, I really just want to get home and not have a problem.
I understand.
I don't need a problem tonight, or else, like, my life will be ruined.
Okay.
Like, don't ruin my life tonight.
How would I ruin your life? I'm just talking to you right now just to see what's going on while you're passed out
Like,
behind the wheel.
I'm not passed out behind the wheel. I'm fine. Like, I'm saying, like, you're trying to ruin my life.
How? I'm literally just talking to you.
My recording and stuff is not a problem. I just want to go home.
I understand that. You've said that a lot. I got you.
It's 6 minutes away. Like, I want to go home. Can I go home, please?
Not right now, okay? We're going to figure that out, okay? Here's the thing.
There's no figuring. I'm saying, like, I want to go now. I'm good.
Okay. Well, again, right now, I have to check on a few things because, again, you were passed out in your car, okay?
I'm good. Let me go, please. Don't ruin my life.
Miss, nobody's talking about ruining anybody's
I feel like
life.
you're going to try to ruin my life. You're literally trying to, like, charge me with some bullshit I don't need to be charged with right now. You're trying to ruin my life. Like, just let me go home, please.
Okay.
After her impromptu nap behind the wheel, officers asked her to step out of the vehicle. Then, right on cue, Miss Braddy McGee took center stage and turned a routine traffic stop into her own personal soap opera.
I need you to listen to what I'm telling you, please, okay? Here's what I need you to do.
I need you to let me go home.
I need you to step out of the vehicle right now, okay? I need you to put everything that you have in your hands on your lap over on your passenger seat. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now, please.
You're ruining my life.
Step to the front of my car.
You're ruining my life.
Miss, step to the front of my car. Okay.
I'm
Look,
fine.
step right there. Step right there.
I'm stuck right here.
Okay, listen. Listen to me.
I'm so upset.
Stop.
You're trying to ruin my life.
You need to stop, please.
Let me go home.
Okay, look. Here's the thing.
What do I need to do to go home? Like, I just want to go home.
I cannot explain anything to you if you keep interrupting me, okay? I'm trying to explain this to you, but I'm not going to keep talking over you, okay? Here's the thing. Again, when I was driving down the road, I saw that the light was green north and south. This is the north lane that you're in.
Okay.
Your car was stopped there, and when I drove by, I saw that you were stopped at the green light, okay? That's not normal, okay? So I was going to check on you anyways. When I was driving by going south, I was able to see in your car that you were pretty much asleep or passed
out
out.
of my car. Please let me go home.
Can I finish, please? Can I please finish?
I'm finished. I want to go home.
Okay. When you were talking to me, okay, you're pretty unsteady with your statements, okay? You have the odor of an alcoholic beverage coming from you. You're coming from a bar, okay? Which leads me to indicate that you might have had a little bit too much to drink.
I'm fine.
Okay.
I want to go home.
Okay.
If you do this to me, I will be with my family for the rest of my life.
Okay.
Like,
I am not doing anything to you.
You're gonna ruin my life. Let me go home.
Chill.
I can't. I have to
Chill.
go home now.
Stop. Do not turn this into a big situation. Chill. Do you understand what I'm telling you right now?
Let me go home.
Do you understand what I'm telling you
Yes,
right now,
let me
miss?
go home.
So chill. You are an adult. Chill. I ain't
Yeah,
speaking
so let
to
me
you.
go home.
No. Okay. You said that you didn't have a lot to drink. How much did you have to drink when you were out there?
Not a lot. I'm fine.
Okay. How many is not a lot? You're not a lot different than mine, I guarantee you.
Anyone want to bet that she's about to say 2 drinks? Anybody?
What do you want to know?
The same question I just asked you.
Okay, but you didn't ask. You asked me a vague question.
I think asking you exactly what you had to drink is a pretty direct question, miss.
2 drinks and then I stopped.
Okay.
And I'm going home. I literally just need to go home right now.
Okay.
I don't need my life ruined right now. Like, I'm already being kicked out. Like, of a fucking place. Like, I'm already gonna. Like,
Miss.
you want me to.
Miss.
I will if you do this to
Miss.
Little lady, you don't want to come out with stuff like that. Because sure, they may wind up deciding not to take you to the police station, but to take you to a mental hospital for a psych evaluation.
Miss, listen.
Let me go home.
You need to listen.
Let me go home or else I'll right now.
No. Okay, stop.
Let me go home.
Act like an okay.
Right now. I've acted like an adult. I'm tired of being treated like shit.
I've been
Treated me like shit right now. Let me go home.
I am
Let me
investigating.
go home. I don't need you to investigate shit. Let me go home.
Okay.
Stop being Stop. Get in your car and let me go.
Would you be willing to conduct some field sobriety
I don't
testing?
need to go. I don't need to do shit.
That's a yes or no question.
Why? If I say no, can I go home?
No. That is a yes or no question. Are you willing to participate in 3 field sobriety tests?
Why?
Because you have had alcohol. I found you passed out operating your vehicle. Okay, and I want to see if you are safe to drive or not.
I'm safe to drive. Leave me alone.
That does not answer my question.
Fine.
Yes?
Fine.
Okay.
Despite officers' repeated attempts to calm her down, our silly little drama queen went into full Karen mode, and moments later, she made one incredibly dumb decision that earned her a one-way trip to a jail cell.
Stay right here.
And it's your fault. If I tomorrow, it's your fault. I want you to know that it's your fucking fault, you piece of shit. I am feeling your pain right now, and it's your fault.
Okay.
Let me go home.
Are you still willing to participate in...
Yeah. Let me
Okay.
go home.
Calm down.
I hate you right
Calm
now.
down.
I hate you.
Calm down.
Let me go home.
I need you... Look. Look where I'm pointing.
Well, someone woke up on the wrong side of a car this morning, didn't she?
Sit right there. Okay. Do not move.
Okay, but listen, we want to make sure you're safe to drive.
I don't give a f- You guys aren't safe to drive. You guys kill you should be in f***ing jail. F***ing bitch.
Just watch traffic for me.
Yeah. Move my car just a little bit up there. So.
No, right here's
I'm
fine.
gonna move my
Good?
car just a little
Yeah,
bit.
just leave yours as it is. Okay. So you were born 96, so that means you were over the age of 21, correct?
No
Okay. All right. Can you do me a favor and take your glasses off, please?
Guess so, I have to. You're telling me.
This is all voluntary. I want to reiterate
No,
that.
it's because I have to. If it was voluntary, I'd be going the home. You guys are being assholes, ruining my life. I want you to know that. You're making my life harder by not letting me just go the home like I was trying. I'm 5 minutes away from home, and you're ruining my life. You're ruining the out of my
All right.
life.
Have you had any concussions or traumatic brain injuries?
No.
Okay.
You're just ruining the out of my life, and I'm pissed at you
Okay.
for doing that. So
you-
let me the go.
Can you move your hair a little bit?
No,
There you go.
no problem.
Okay.
I'm f***ing pissed. Let me the go and let me go the home.
All right.
I'm pissed.
We're not gonna be able to do this if you keep yelling and screaming and being very animated. Okay.
What the do you want me to do?
I want you to chill.
I'm
and just
so
sit
f***ing chill. You won't let me go. I can't f***ing be chill because you won't let me do what the I want to do.
Okay.
You're ruining my life. I hate you right now. You're ruining my life.
Understood. I got that.
You're ruining my f***ing life. Let me go. I'm fucking sober. I hate you right now. Let me the go.
Okay. Do you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Okay.
I hate you. And I see the tip of your finger. There's one of them right fucking here.
Don't grab my hand.
Are you kidding? You just grabbed onto the cop. I mean, how drunk are you?
You're under arrest.
My glasses are in my hand.
Okay, just relax. Here.
You're arresting me.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
Why?
You just grabbed me. Are you serious right now? You're
Yeah,
being
here,
serious
I'm
right
gonna
now.
take your glasses so they don't get broke, okay? Just let go of your
Please
glasses.
let
I
go.
need to go into my car and
You're
go
not-
home.
Let go. Let go of
It's
the
not happening.
glasses. Stop. Let go of the
Got it
I'm
right
gonna
here.
tell my family that you guys are delirious and pieces of
Okay, well,
You are.
that's your personal opinion.
Stop.
You're a piece of
Stop.
That's your opinion.
Stop. That's the car.
First car, please.
Spread your feet.
You're a piece of
Spread your feet.
I'm not doing shit. I'm not doing shit.
Relax, relax, relax.
I got double up.
They're pieces of shit.
Well, if you'd stop resisting,
They
okay?
enjoy it. I wasn't resisting.
Okay.
You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit. You turned it
Stop.
into me resisting. No, you turned it
Stop.
into me resisting.
Stop. Chill.
You.
Chill. Chill.
No, you chill. I wish I could kill you. You are
I'll put her in the back now.
You
Put her in
are
my- Hey, you
You are
bars on your windows, right?
you are
We swap cars for transport.
I wish you would die.
I'll take yours. You just take mine for now,
You are
Okay.
just in case.
Yeah, that's fine. I got the. Stop. Just relax, okay? Just relax.
I'm trying to these.
Hey, when you guys
Move your hand down. There you go.
piece of shit,
I'm trying to fix these handcuffs so that they're not tied on you.
piece of shit, you fucking asshole piece of shit. You ruined my life.
Okay, I literally kept telling you stop so I can try to fix them. What do you want me to do?
Be nicer instead of being a piece of shit.
We've been as nice as we can.
No, you guys are pieces of shit. And I hope you go to hell. And you will go to hell because you guys are pieces of shit because you're putting a 25-year-old girl who's just trying to go home into jail and you're ruining her life.
Watch your head.
Wait. I gotta ask, how is any of this the cop's fault? I mean, she's the one that decided to get loaded at some bar. She's the one that decided to get behind the wheel and drive after getting loaded. She's the one that fell asleep at a traffic light. She's the one that actually assaulted the police officer by grabbing his finger. All these are the choices she made. It's had nothing to do with the cops. The cops didn't do it. She did it herself. She has to grow up a bit so that she can actually take ownership when she does something wrong.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
I hope you guys go to hell, and I know you will.
Seatbelt's not happening.
You guys are gonna go to hell. I'm gonna take your. Get the fool. I'm gonna take your. Woo!
After getting the gnome into the back of the patrol car, officers probably thought they could finally call it a night. However, their new passenger had other plans and decided to give an encore performance of The Karen Show.
Let me the out! You guys are going to hell! I hope you die tonight! Go ahead and open this door!
You taking this car?
Shut
Yeah,
your
since you got
my
the-
face. You pieces of shit! You guys
Right
are
now.
going to hell! I hate you! I hope you die! I hate you! You ruined my life! I will kill you! Not helping any of the women getting. You guys are all useless.
1256 Central.
In jail that don't need to be because you make a quota. It's hilarious. It makes me laugh every day. Eat the donuts and go arrest people who aren't actually doing anything wrong. I know how to make a virus that can kill the entire human planet. You! I can kill you right now without my hands.
Instead of going home with a simple DUI, 25-year-old Carly went home with a lengthy list of charges, including terroristic threats and willful obstruction of law enforcement officers. Although there have been no official updates on the case, a commenter on a Facebook post about the incident claimed that Carly would be entering mental health court for the next 18 months. That claim remains unverified.
Well, didn't she seem like the sweetest young thing? You know, the kind of woman you want to take home to mother. But you know what? I think the cops did an excellent job in this one. I mean, they did get a dangerous perpetrator off the street, and make no mistake, there's very few things on the street that's more dangerous than a drunk driver. And the reason for that is they don't even realize exactly how dangerous they are at that particular moment. Anyway, this video was originally posted by Police Insider. As always, I left a link for the original video down in the description in case you want to see it in its entirety without all my senseless talking. And if you do, by all means, don't forget to subscribe and to like their videos. They got a lot of great things on their channel. And speaking of channels that have a lot of great things on them, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and to share this video because it'll really help my channel out. And if you did like this video, maybe you'll like one of the ones that's on the screen now. Anyway, thank you for making it all the way to the end, and I hope to see you again real soon. Until next time, don't forget, the night owl is always watching. Good night.